Welcome to another video tutorial about how to create flowcharts. Whether you're mapping out a process, planning a project, or explaining a system, flowcharts are essential for visualizing steps and decision points. Let's get started. Step 1. Define the process. First, clearly define the process or system you want to illustrate. This could be anything from a workflow to decision-making sequence. Step 2. Choose symbols. Select the appropriate symbols. Use ovals for start or end points, rectangles for process steps, diamonds for decisions, and arrows to show the flow. Step 3. Gather all necessary information about the process, steps, decision points, inputs, outputs, and conditions that influence the flow. Step 4. Start point. Begin with an oval to represent the starting point. Label it Start or Begin. Step 5. Map process steps. Place rectangles sequentially to represent each step or action. Arrange them from left to right or top to bottom. Step 6. Decision points. For decision points, use diamonds. Inside, write the question that determines the flow direction. Step 7. Connect with arrows. Connect symbols with arrows to show the flow of the process. Ensure each step logically connects to the next. Step 8. Input and output. This one is optional. If your process involves inputs or outputs, use parallelograms to represent these points. Step 9. Review and validate. Review your flowchart for accuracy and clarity. Make sure all steps and decision points are clear and logically connected. Step 10. Finalize and document. Finalize your flowchart by neatly drawing or using software. Add a title and explanations as needed. And there you have it. Creating clear and effective flowcharts helps you visualize and communicate process efficiently. Thank you for watching.